What I've discovered about AI animation has totally flipped the way I tell stories, and it goes against everything you've probably been told. I've made thousands of videos, all kinds, using many AI tools across multiple YouTube channels, and I don't draw, don't have an animation degree, and most of them were made for free. The wild part? You don't need fancy gear or a huge budget. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process, from messy idea to final animation, using tools anyone can access right now. And the tools that makes it all work? Almost no one's talking about them. Let's get started. Alright, so the first thing I need to do is create my story. I'm in ChatGPT, and I'm working on a story about a cat who delivers a birthday cake to a friend. I made a story about it before, and it was way too long, so I asked it to condense this into a 30 to 45 second long video, broken into scenes with the prompts, camera cues, and all that. Okay, so here it is. So now what I'll do next is take all of this and condense it down to 4 or 5 scenes. This is the final outline. So now I've got everything I need to start my video story. So the next thing I'll do is start making my images. Let's go there next. Alright, so these are a few images that I created for my video. I am in a site called ImageFX. It's free and it is really good, and highly underrated, I think. If you haven't used it before, give it a try. Basically, you put your prompt here. You can also add some of these other things down here if you wanted to. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. You can also choose your settings as far as sizes go. And if you want to have consistent characters, it's best to lock this so all your images look similar. It is unlocked to start, but lock it once you make your best starting image to keep the following ones more consistent. Watch this example to see how it works. Then it will create 4 at a time. It's pretty fast. If you want to see them even more in detail, click here. So go through this same process to make images for each of your scenes. These are really cute. I think I'll choose this one. To download it, all you have to do is click right here. Okay, and that's how you use ImageFX. Then once you've got all your images ready, it's time to go to the next step. Now I'm in Canva using a free account. I'm going to go to Video and choose Landscape. Then I'll add some pages. Next, I'll click on Uploads and drag in my 4 pictures just like this. You can see my images are uploading. Now, I'll add them, 1 per page, and choose Set Images as background to fill the page. We can also come in here and make changes if the color is not quite right. Here's how to do that. Click on Edit, then on Adjust. Once that is done, I'll add a transition between these pages. If you hover between them, you'll see these. Add a page or a transition. I'll use Dissolve, then apply these between all pages. To spice this up a little bit, I'm going to click on Animate and do some fun things with my story. You can animate your individual pages here to some degree. Here are some of the things you can do. For example, choose Photo Zoom, Photo Flow, or Photo Rise. There are also many others, so experiment and see what you can come up with. You might surprise yourself. Once we're finished here, we'll want to download it. So go up here to File, go to Download, make sure MP4 is chosen, all pages are included. Then click Download. Now that it's finished, you can give to your children, upload it to your website or social media, etc. But for now, you've made an animated video. Congratulations! Now let's go to the next step. This is optional. I want to add narration to the story. So I've taken this from my script in ChatGPT and dropped it in here. This is called Text-to-Speech OpenAI. It's completely free. If you want to check out the voices, all you have to do is just click here to listen to any of them. You can choose by gender, age, and country. Just click on Sample to listen to them. Make sure the one you choose is highlighted, and then click Create Speech to start. Go to History, and you'll see it's processing the audio. Give it a few more seconds, now it's done. If you want to download it, click here. If you want to listen to it, click here. So now I'll go back to Canva and drop this in. I'll put it in my Upload section. Now I'll click on that and add it right down there. We can shift this around as we want. I normally make it a little bit louder, just to make it easier to hear. If you wanted to add music or sounds, you could do that too. But for now, I'll just add the narrations. So let's arrange these, shorten them or whatever, to fit the audio as we need to. Watch me while I work. So now my story has a little less blank space in it. Okay, you can always enlarge the images too, as much as you want. Now that the video is complete, let's download it. Go to File, to Download, choose MP4, all pages, click Download. And there you go. You have a new video for your kids, your classroom, business, or whoever you're making it for. Way to go!
Captain Whiskers starts his day with a purr and a purpose. Wait a minute, turtle crossing. But Captain Whiskers knows to stop. Oh no. Balloons everywhere. The cake is delivered, the customer is happy. Time to eat.
If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit that like button, it really helps the channel. And if you're eager to explore more AI animation techniques, check out this next video right here.